Hello dear viewers, today we shall be learning how to calculate correlation using Microsoft Excel. It is very important for the researchers because it is one of the very important or significant statistical tool. So I have got one data over here in which two variables are there. One is number of hours studied and another is percentage of marks. So we will try to find out what is the correlation between both of them. So what we need to do, we have to come in data, and then you have to come in data analysis, and then in data analysis you have to select correlation. Now it is asking for the range. What will be the input range? So you have to select both of the variables, and then it asks for the labels in the first row. So we have got two labels over here. One is number of hours studied and another is percentage of marks. And then it is asking for the output options, that where you want the output, in the same sheet or on the another sheet. So I want it on new sheet, so I'll be selecting new worksheet, and then I'll be clicking OK. Now you see that on the new sheet it has calculated correlation, and we can see over here that the value of R is equal to 0.50, which we can say that there is a moderate correlation between number of hours studied and percentage of marks, because it is the mid value. The value of correlation varies from -1 to +1. So it is in middle, so we can say that there is a moderate correlation. So it is very easy to calculate correlation using Microsoft Excel, and all the students, whether they are in research or they are in industry, if they want to understand, they can go through this video and they can understand how to calculate correlation using Microsoft Excel. So thank you very much for watching this video.